your friends, subtract your enemies, multiply your love, but don't divide your heart. Math problem, head hurts when you think, but it helps to like me. Every day you see. Math problem, I know they are hard, but it can help you to almost everything. A day or two may help in understanding things, and soon you'll answer them just like 1, 2, 3. Except about the size and solving it will never be a great they can be a great fun. Problems and as simple that can be solved so soon. Math problems, I know they are hard, but it can help us like me in every day you see.